I'm the chef and owner of the Rolls and Bowl Sushi, local roots, and I'm also the co-founder of Chicano Art Collective. Wanted to start my own business, be independent, and that's how I came up with the concept. Back in the day, sushi was like a big thing here in the community. Well, here in the San Luis area, it was something pretty new. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, just fuse both of the cultures together. We also have a couple of other different concepts here in the same building. We got local roots where we serve sandwiches, salads, paninis, also infused with Mexican traditional flavors. My inspiration on this dish was to infuse the Mexican-Japanese cuisine. That's what we do over at Rolls and Bowls, over at my restaurant. And it involves both cultures mixing together to come up with this beautiful and flavor dish. What we're gonna be doing next is the appetizer for the Yuma 50, which is a combination of pretty much what we do at our restaurant. It's just infusing Mexican, Japanese cuisine. And for that, we're gonna be using some panko shrimp. Gonna cut it on strips. Just put it on a bowl. Then we'll put in a little bit of tampico, which is a mixture of jalapeno, green onion, cilantro, and kanigama, which is an imitation crab, and mayonnaise. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put it in here. Stop it up. Followed by that, we're gonna do our a chipotle mix, which is chipotle mixed with cream cheese. Okay. Add it in there. And it's a really simple dish, but it's super flavorful, has a lot of flavor. We'll do the rice. Some rice. And a bit of presentation. And voila. Top it with a little bit of cilantro. A little bit of jalapeno tatemado. And last but not least, a little bit of avocado on top. And here it is. Forgot the roasted corn. And you got it out there. It's the California shrimp stack from Chef Abraham, Rolls and Bowl Sushi. Hope everybody likes it. And thank you very much, everyone.